All that it takes is halfway decent entries and discipline over dopamine. And in today's video, I'm going to break down how you can do both. What's going on, money team? It's your boy JDUN Trades with Team Bull Trading, and I hope you all had a discipline-filled trading day. In today's video, I'm going to break down how we caught over 60 points on NQ live in real time.
Chat, how much you up? 300, 270, 37.50, 400, $31, 730, 130, 1189, 250, 200, 380, 400, 92, 150 times 5, 80, 90, 7,000, 276, $1.50 plus. Hey, we'll take it, baby. Come on.
With a simple, effective strategy that made me over $1,200 today trading several micros and makes me over $5,000 a week. Sometimes it makes me $2,000 a day. I had a $6,000 day last week, but typically I aim for $1,000 to $2,000 a day of cold, hard cash, real money, baby. So as always, if you get value from this video, make sure you tap in, hit that subscribe button, and let's get to the money together. Now, it's important to note that I took 2 trades today, the first of which I lost. I always talk about the losers on this channel. Even when I had my 60-plus day win streak, I told you guys when it ended, why it ended, and how I was going to recover. And now I've been on a 5-plus day winning streak and counting. So we're building it back up. It's not all about the wins. It's about how you manage your losses. Now, the first trade of the day was based off the hourly chart. As you can see, we had a level of confluence here. We had a resistance. Let's go over to NQ for this. We had a resistance turned support on the NQ hourly, right around this key level of 21,975 up to 22,000. So with this confluence up here, with this aggressive move up off good CPI data and Trump news that the China deal was done, it seemed worth a shot to me to try for the quick opening dip and rip. And as we see off the 5-minute chart, right, we ended up getting a decent move initially on this move down. We got this move back up here to 22,000. Again, I didn't take any off on this. From my entry, we got 20, 30 points from 70 to 80, but I wanted more. I wanted to see us climb above this opening print to make my risk reward worth it. So any trade I take in the first 15 minutes is higher risk. I don't typically trade the first 15 minutes. I let range settle. I want to see how market structure is developing and then go from there once I've seen price develop. So I end up getting stopped out below this wick right here, or excuse me, it was below this wick, 948, 949. I got stopped out here, wick down, and moved up, which leads me to my second trade. Now, I'm a VPA trader, volume price analysis. So the first thing I start to notice is this wick right here. We have aggressive volume with over half of this wick being to the upside. So whenever we have aggressive leading volume, I don't care if it's red, green, or blue, whatever color it is, and over 50% of the wick here, I know there's a good chance we're rebounding. If these next few candles stay strong, we want to move on up. We get a strong candle here, aggressive body to the upside, midway candle here, not much up, not much down. However, on these next 2 candles, once we get the wick down and push back up here, I see the buying volume coming in on the 1 minute. I see it forming on the 5 minute. I enter right around this 980 area. Some people in chat get entered around 970, 975. I enter around 980, and my goal here on this trade is I manage my risk first. So I enter a 980, put it right there. My stops are below 67 here, below this previous indecision candle low, and I'm targeting on this first 22,000, but ideally up to this previous high a day around 22,023. Right there, that's a 3R trade. So I take my first trims right around 22,000. And after I take my first trims, as always, I'm moving my stops to break even. We talked about that in the mentorship tonight, which, by the way, if you'd like into my next mentorship, you can get on the wait list below. It's highly private. It's highly exclusive. And if you'd like to into it, see if you're fit. Now, we keep moving on up. As this goes, I continue to adjust my dynamic R up with my trade, and I end up taking my final sells. This doesn't always happen. I sell my final micro up here at 62 because I'm leaving for the day. I'm going to the gym. Mind you, I don't always top tick like this. I want to make that very clear. I got lucky today with this aggressive move down that I missed the lower highs here and the beautiful downtrend that followed because I was busy the rest of the day. Point being is you want to find your confirmations, see structure shift, have set price targets, and then write it. If you can visualize your risk, if you can have a set strategy, and mind you, if you traded the opening range breakout that I've taught many of you guys, what do we see here? 15-minute opening range. We get the 5-minute close above, 3 tests down. Look at that. If you would have traded this with stops, say you enter a little above, so let's call it 22,033. Keep stops below this candle. All you needed at high a day, at maximum, you would have gotten almost a 4 hour out of this. Even at 2R, all you needed was a 17-point move with 9-10 points of risk, which is very, very light for NQ. That's what I want you guys doing. I want you guys being systematic and trading systems where it takes the guessing out. I want the guessing to no longer be a part of your trading. And once we can do that, you're going to be in good hands. Now, in addition to this strategy video, I'm hosting a free masterclass on June 17th, 6 days from now. So if you'd like to be a part of it, to learn A to Z, my strategies, how I trade the orb, and how to master your trading psychology, click the link below there as well. Get access to the free training, and let's learn and keep leveling up together. God bless, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure you subscribe. Peace.